What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You might be thinking, CB, why are you on the basketball court? You can't hoop, and you might be right, but I'm hoping to change that. This right here is the SiQ Smart Basketball, and this is what happens when tech meets sports. So we're gonna be unboxing this basketball, and then I'm gonna be taking some test shots with the normal basketball, like this one here, and seeing if it actually helps me to improve my shot. So guys, thanks for stopping by the channel. Hope you like and subscribe. Let's jump into it. So opening up the box, as you guys see, you start off with step one. It says scratch the membership card and scan your unique QR activation code. So this basketball comes with an app, and the app is $8 a month. And don't worry guys, I'll bite the bullet so that you guys don't have to. Anyways, once you complete the checkout process with the email address that you register with the app, you can then activate this membership. Step two, you want to download the SiQ basketball app, sign in with the same email address, and then check your email so that you can link the accounts together. Step three, in the app, you make sure your Bluetooth mode is enabled, and then you want to hold the basketball with both hands and spin the ball. And then that's going to start the process. So we actually take a look at this ball. See, the packaging is really simple. It just comes pretty much in plastic, and then you present it with some information here on the SiQ basketball, the user guide. You know, I suggest reading this. Most of you won't, but you should. So just looking at the ball overall, it looks like it's already ready to go. And so in this video, we won't be setting the ball up right away. I'm just gonna take some practice shots with the regular basketball, and then we'll come back and I'll let you guys know if this is actually working or not. So let's start off by taking some test shots with the regular basketball and then see if my skill actually improves. All right guys, let's take some test shots. All right guys, as you can tell, I need a little work. So let's go ahead and jump 2 weeks into the future and see exactly where we are. All right guys, before we get to the final shootout using the SiQ basketball, I just wanted to interject real quick. So it's been a day since shooting the video, and I've downloaded the SiQ basketball app, and we're just gonna go ahead and look at it real brief and discuss some things like my stats after day one of using the SiQ basketball. So when you download the app, you'll set up a membership. The membership is $6.99, but if you buy this basketball, at least I got it off Amazon, you get a month membership free. And so after that, you know I'm canceling, I'm out of here. But anyways, it depends on how the final shootout goes. But you get a couple options here. So you can do a solo or casual. And when you do solo shootout, you record your stats. So if I go into solo, you see it says shoot around and free throw. So if you click into shoot around, it's gonna then track your shooting for just a typical pickup game type vibe, you know. And if you do free throw, then it's obviously tracking your free throws. The ideal here is you're supposed to stand at the free throw line, shoot the ball, right? So you can also do casual, where it's just not recording your stats. What else you get here? You get the leaderboard, which is pretty cool. You can look at all the people who have this app and are, you know, doing shootouts and trying to improve their skill. And you can see who's the best so far. You also have weekly challenges. You can pick your home court here. I'm not gonna show you this just because I don't want my location out there like that. Not quite yet. Anyways, you can set up your profile, and if you look at stats, it's gonna tell you your all-time and your sessions. So you got last week, this week, all of September here. So this was the one that I did today, and as you can see, I need work. That's why I got this basketball. But overall, I was a 34% shot. I don't know if that's good or bad. It's probably not the best, but hopefully in a couple weeks here, it'll improve at least 40%. But I took 67 shots, I took 196 shots and I made 67. 3% of those were swishes. It says 7.4 out of 10 for consistency. My quickness, 1.29 seconds. And then it gives you just my overall stats. So my release angle, 51%. Maybe that's a good thing, maybe that's not. Entry angle, 42%. So maybe that's a good thing, maybe that's not, I don't know. Spin rate, 2.0 RPS. So guys, that's what day one looks like for me using the SiQ basketball. I'll see you for the final shootout. All right, guys, we're back on the court. It's been about a week and a half using the SiQ Smart Basketball. Let's see if in this last week, my shot has increased and if it was worth the money. Let's get to it. All right, guys, I think compared to the first round when we tried this, my shot has gotten a little better. You have to drop me a comment down below and let me know what you think of the shot and if you'd be getting this SiQ Smart Basketball. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Beasting out here, boy. Look at that.